This manuscript is showing that the United States is losing its rank and failing behind other countries when it comes to many of the metrics that we use. For example, life expectancy in the United States used to be 35 if you compare the US to 203 countries, so 204 in total, used to be 35 for males and 19 for females in 1990. We are now 46 and 47. Our data also showed that 14 states lost life expectancy from 1990 to 2021. So the life expectancy in 1990 was much higher in these 14 states. And for example, West Virginia lost about 2.7 years of life expectancy between 1990 and 2021. So for many of our states, they are left behind, even if the country is showing an increase in life expectancy. We need to keep in mind that there are so many disparities in the US, and many of our states, many of our counties, many of our race ethnic people are left behind as well. If you look at our best performing state, for example, Hawaii, when it comes to life expectancy, used to be the 6th highest. If you take Hawaii as a country, and you have now 203, now total 204. So Hawaii would be 6th in the world for males and was 4 for females. In 2021, that ranking dropped to 28 and 22. So rapid decline, unfortunately, compared to our peers, rich countries, and also at the same time, we are falling behind some of the middle-income country in the world as well. If we replace a state instead of the United States, we have the worst of our state in 2021 will rank about 107 for males and 99 for female. That's West Virginia. So if you take West Virginia as a country, this is our ranking compared to other countries in the world. If you look at the healthy life expectancy, which is a good measure of how long people live in a healthy status, again, you will see a rapid decline in our ranking in the United States. For example, we used to be 42 for males, 32 for females. We dropped to 69 right now and 76 for females, a rapid decline, more decline in ranking for females than males in the United States. If you look at the best performing state in Hale, Hawaii used to be 14th for male and 5th for females. Right now it's 39 and 34. What I'm telling you here is even our best performing state is falling behind everybody else in the world. And if you look at a country, replace a state with the US as a country and compare that state to the 204 countries that we have in our analysis, you will see that many of our states, for example, West Virginia ranks 141 for males and 137 for females. That's really a scary image that you see here when it comes to the ranking of our state in terms of life expectancy and health. The other thing that we see in our publication is years lived with disability. We have only 6 countries that are behind us when it comes to years lived with disability. And when it comes also to our states with years lived in disability, many of our US states are much worse than other countries in the world. And in fact, West Virginia, Kentucky, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, New Mexico, Ohio, Tennessee, and Arizona come on the top, followed by Afghanistan.